Hello, and welcome to our channel. Today, we are delving into the world of wealth creation and unlocking the secrets to becoming a millionaire. I'm here to share with you 9 crucial money habits that will pave the way to financial success. Habit 1. Pay yourself first. It's essential to prioritize saving and investing a portion of your income before anything else. Treat your savings like a non-negotiable bill that must be paid each month. Habit 2. Live below your means. Millionaires understand the importance of spending less than they earn. By avoiding unnecessary expenses and living frugally, you can free up more money to grow your wealth. Habit 3. Set clear financial goals. Successful individuals have a clear vision of where they want to be financially and set specific, measurable goals to reach that destination. If you are new to the channel, then click on subscribe button and hit the notification bell for regular updates. Habit 4. Diversify your income streams. Millionaires don't rely on a single source of income. They explore various opportunities, such as investments, side businesses, and passive income streams to build wealth. Habit 5. Invest wisely. Making informed investment decisions is key to growing your wealth. Whether it's stocks, real estate, or a business venture, ensure you understand the risks and potential returns before taking the plunge. Habit 6. Educate yourself. Continuously expanding your financial knowledge and skills is crucial for long-term success. Stay updated on market trends, investment opportunities, and personal finance strategies. Habit 7. Avoid debt trap. While debt can be a useful tool when managed correctly, accumulating excessive debt can hinder your journey to becoming a millionaire. Prioritize paying off high-interest debts and use credit wisely. Habit 8. Practice patience and discipline. Building wealth takes time and requires discipline. Stay focused on your financial goals, avoid impulsive decisions, and be patient for your investments to grow. Habit 9. Give back. Generosity is a common trait among millionaires. By sharing your wealth with others, whether through charitable donations or mentorship, you not only make a positive impact on the world but also attract abundance into your life. In conclusion, cultivating these 9 money habits will set you on the path to financial success and pave the way to becoming a millionaire. Remember, wealth is not just about money, it's about mindset, discipline, and making a positive impact on the world. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable insights on wealth creation and personal finance. Until next time, stay focused on your goals and keep striving for financial excellence. See you soon.